So, good evening sir. Ito po yung code ko sir, ginawa. Then, try natin i-run sir. Yan, sir. Then, agad book tayo sir. Example, this title is so then yung author is then yung published 1990. Then yung quantity is 200. Then save. Successfully. Then punta tayo sa access sir. Tapos yung file. So, yun po yung mga ginawa ko sir. Tapos, try natin mag-add book all sir. Example, Shoyo. Tapos yung author is sir. We publish this 1935. Tapos quantity is 400. Then save. Then ito is try natin yung search sir. Shoku. Search. Ay sir, lumita na sir. Tapos refresh natin para bumalik yung isa. Then try natin delete sir. Yes sir, na-delete na po sir. Try natin edit sir, edit. Example is Ryonan. Tapos yung author is Sakuragi. Sakuragi sir. Tapos dito is 1950. Then dito is 100. Tapos update natin sir. Then, ilan sir? Okay na po sir.